Hello everyone, welcome to Next Wave ICT channel. Today we are going to learn about ICT tools. ICT tools are all around us, making our life easier, faster and more connected. So, if you want to learn more about ICT and stay updated with our lessons, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's dive in and explore the different type of ICT tools and how we use them every day. ICT, which stands for Information and Communication Technology. ICT means the use of computers, digital devices, and communication tools to collect, store, process, and share information. In simple words, ICT help us to work with information and communication with others quickly and easier. We use ICT in many areas of our daily life. For example, we use computers, smartphones, the internet, email, social media, online classes, and even digital banking. All these are part of ICT. ICT is very important today because it helps us communicate faster, learn new things easier, store large amount of information safely, work more efficiency and solve problems using technology. We can see ICT everywhere in schools, hospital, business, transport system and even in environment. ICT is the technology that makes our life easier, faster and more connected. It helps us to learn, communicate and succeed in a modern digital world. Okay, let's see ICT tools. ICT tools are the devices and software we use to collect, store, process and share information. Okay, let's discuss about ICT tools that we use as input device. In information and communication technology, an input device is a tool that helps us enter data and instructions into a computer. Without input devices, a computer cannot understand what we want it to do. One of the most common input device is the keyboard. We use it to type letters, numbers and commands. It is the main tool for writing information into a computer. Another important device is the mouse. It helps us point, click and select items on the screen. The mouse makes it easy to control what happens on the computer. We also use a microphone to input sounds and voice. It is very useful for recording audio, speaking in online meetings, and even giving voice commands. A scanner is another ICT tool. It helps us convert photos and or documents into digital format so we can store or edit them on the computer. We also have digital cameras and webcams which capture images and videos and send them directly to the computer. These devices are very useful for video calls, photography and creating digital content. Touchscreen are also input devices on smartphones, tablets and even ATMs. We use our fingers to touch the screen and give commands. Devices like joysticks, barcode reads, and graphic tablets are also input devices used for gaming, shopping, and digital drawing. So, input devices play a very important role in ICT. They help us communicate with computer and make our digital work faster and easier. Without them, computers wouldn't be able to receive or process information for us. Okay, let's discuss output devices as ICT tools. In information and communication technology, an output device is a tool that allows a computer to send information out so we can see it, hear it, or use it. While input devices help us give instructions to the computer, output devices helps the computer communicate back to us. One of the most common output device is the monitor. It is displays text, images, videos and everything we do on the computer. Monitor help us see the results of the work we do. Another important output device is the printer. A printer produces a hard copy of digital information. We can print documents, photos, reports and many other materials. Printers are very useful in schools, office and homes. The speaker is also a popular output device. The speakers allows us to listen to music, videos, alerts and other sounds from the computer. They make audio communication possible and enjoyable. A projector is another ICT output device. It displays information on a large screen or wall. Projectors are commonly used in classrooms, meetings, and events to show presentations and videos to a bigger audience. Headphones are also output device. They allow us to hear sounds privately without disturbing others. They are commonly used for online learning, gaming, and multimedia work. Devices like plotters are specialized output tools used by artists and engineers to print large drawings and technical designs. So, output devices are essential ICT tools because they help us receive information from computers in a useful and understandable way. They make it possible to see, hear, and use the results of our digital activities. Okay, let's talk about storage devices as ICT tools. In information and communication technology, storage devices are tools used to store data and information. They help us save files so we can use them again in the future. Without storage devices, information could be lost when the computer is turned off. One of the most important storage device is the hard disk. It is found inside computer and is used to store the operating system software, documents, photos and videos. Another popular storage device is the USB flash drive, also known as a pen drive. It is small, portable and easy to use. We can carry data from one computer to another using a flash drive. Memory cards are also common storage device. They are widely used in mobile phones, camera and tablets to store phones, videos and applications. The CDs and DVDs are op- optical storage devices. They are used to store music, movies, software and data, although they are less common today. External hard disks are also storage devices. They provide a large storage capacity and are mainly used for backups and storage large files. Today, cloud storage is also an important ICT storage tool. Services like Google Drive and OneDrive also ask to store data online and access it anytime, anywhere using the internet. So, storage devices play a vital role in ICT. They help us save, protect, and manage our digital information efficiently. Storage devices make learning, communication, and work easier in the digital world. Okay, let's see communication tools as ICT tools. In information and communication technology, communication tools are used to send and receive information between people using digital devices and network. These tools help us communicate quickly and easier, no matter where we are in the world. One of the most common communication tool is email. Email allows us to send messages, documents, images, and videos through the internet. It is widely used in schools, office, and business. Another important communication tool is instant messaging. Applications like chat service help us send message instantly. They are very popular for quick communication and group discussions. Video conferencing tools are also important ICT communication tools. They allow people to see and talk to each other in real time using a camera and microphone. These tools are widely used for online classes, meetings, and interviews. Social media platforms are also communication tools. They help users share information, photos, videos, and ideas with a large audience. Social media plays a big role in modern communication. Mobile phones are powerful communication tool. Using voice calls, video calls, and text messages, people can stay connected anything and anywhere. Another communication tool is network technology, such as the internet and local area network. These network help device connect and exchange information. So, communication tools are essential ICT tools. They make communication faster, easier, and more effective. Thanks to ICT communication tools, the world has become more connected than ever before. Okay, let's talk about networking tools as ICT tools. In information and communication technology, networking tools are devices and software that helps computers connect and communicate with each other. Networks allow us to share information, resources, and services quickly and efficiently. One common networking tool is the router. A router connects multiple devices to the internet and allows them to communicate with each other in the network. Another important tool is the switch. A switch connects devices with the local area network and helps them exchange information quickly and efficiently. Modems are also essential networking tools. They convert digital data from a computer into a signals that can travel over the telephone or cable lines to access the internet. Network cables like Ethernet cables are physical tools that connect computers, printers, and other devices in a network. They are important for wired network. Wireless access point are tools that provide wireless connectivity to devices, allowing laptops, smartphones, and tabs to connect to a network without cables. Networking tools also include software, such as network monitoring tools and communication platforms, which help manage and secure networks. Okay, let's talk about ICT software tools. Software tools are programs that help us perform tasks on a computer or digital device. Software is intangible. It exists inside the computer. There are different types of software tools. Productivity software like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, web browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, educational software like learning apps and programs, graphic and multimedia software like Photoshop, Canva, utility software like antivirus programs and files organizers. Software tools are very important because they allow us to use the computer efficiently and complete tasks faster. Okay, let's talk about multimedia tools, which are a type of ICT tools. Multimedia tools are used to create, edit, and share different forms of media, such as images, videos, sounds, and animations. They help us make learning, work, and entertainment more interesting and effective. Some common multimedia tools are camera, audio recorders, video editing software, animation software, projectors. Multimedia tools are very important in education, entertainment, business, and communication. They help us share ideas and information in an interesting and creative way. So, multimedia tools make learning, presenting, and sharing information more fun and effective. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.